Hello, my crafty friends. How is everyone doing today? This is Sheree, and I'm here to share some goodies I picked up from Craftsbuyer. I'm collaborating with them, and so I will be showing you today what I picked up. Really nice items, and if you're thinking that Craftsbuyer only has wax seals and things like that, wax seal supplies, you might be surprised to go check out their website and find all these beautiful ribbons and trims. So I'll have a link to the website below in my description box. I will also have a coupon, and this coupon's a little different than others. It's the coupon is Sheree10, my name spelled out, Sheree, and 10 and the number 10. So be sure to use that coupon, and I will have links to these products. This is just 3 things that I got, and I will have those links if you want to go directly to these products. I'll have those links in my description box. So let me show you what I got. I'm pretty excited to use them, and I chose them for specific reasons. So let's start with this big roll here. They came in a a bubble envelope with bubble wrap around them also. So came very well packaged, and they're all in these little, like this one's in a little Ziploc bag. And this is a very large roll. Let me see if I can show you how much is on here. And I got it for the color purple. And I got it for, I expect to use it in Halloween. So it could be used for tassels. This is really nice, kind of a sturdy feeling ribbon that could be used as a journal closure. You wrap around and tie a bow or something like that. It's solid on this side, solid purple, and you have this pretty design over here. So it's this large roll of that. So I'm very excited to start using this, and I have a lot to use. This will probably last me forever. So yeah, that one I got. And then this right here, this little package I picked up because I know a lot of the ribbons I have are plain colors. I have some with patterns, but a lot of them are plain colors, and I want those to mix in my tassels, to mix with things, and I also like them to put them as tag toppers, right? So anyway, I wanted some with a little more, pattern or a little bling or something. So I picked these 3. There's 3 in this. They came in this Ziploc bag right here, and there are 3 rolls of, look how much is on these. And yeah, this is just one order. This is how it comes with these 3 rolls. But it's all of that, and nice little sturdy, there's a little plastic thing in the middle. The other one too, the purple one, had a plastic thing in the middle, which is nice to hold, for it to hold up and stay on here. So if you want to store it on here, which I think you would, because I don't think you want to take all that off there, but it is this pretty green, which can also be used, so many different things, right? But Christmas, you can mix some of this in with Halloween. It's really a year-round type of generic, as far as I'm concerned, ribbon with this color green and the pretty gold stars. So those are gold stars on there, just in case. I'm not sure if it's clear in the camera, but yeah, they're pretty gold stars. So I thought that would, it's fun to have things in tassels that, first of all, you kind of peek through and see the colors, and then if you see these little gold stars peeking out, that would be really pretty. So yeah, it's a solid ribbon with a little kind of border, kind of like almost like a little kind of, I don't know how to describe it, a little ridged border, and then the gold star. So really, really pretty. 3 rolls you get like that. And then this one too. Now this one I'm really excited to use. This one came in a cellophane bag here, or cellophane container. I didn't want to take it out until the video, but now that we're doing the video, let's take these out and get a good look at these. I'm pretty excited because these are going to look so beautiful in tassels, and that's why I ordered these. But these can also be used for tags too. They will tie nicely because they're not too thick. And, if you want to tie a little bow or a little, just whatever, loop at the top or something. But they're all different colors. They're all of these, you get in this one package, all of these colors. I think, if I remember right, there's 2 sets of these, and I think there's 2 sets of 2 different, like colors. So I picked this color here. because I thought it would be colors that I would be using in the near, right away. So, well, I really unwound this. I didn't mean to, but this is, it's kind of easier almost to see the color when it's wound up like this. And then I can show you, because it kind of looks like, it's a little harder to see the color when it's like this. You see a lot of gold, and then the color kind of is faded, but this is going to look so beautiful in tassels. So I will wind this back up later, but this kind of has a pinky hue to it. If you can see it when it's wound up like this, it has kind of a pinky hue to it. And look at all the gold. And that'll be really beautiful peeking through the tassel whenever I use these in a tassel. So let me show you all the colors. I'm not going to unwind all of them because, like I said, it's easier to see the colors when they're wound up. But this one has, let's see, is there another red here? No, this one is reddish. So when I want red, I will use this one. They come on this foam thing, so I have other ribbons like that with the foam piece in the middle. And what I do after I use it, I kind of wind it back up because that's a lot to put on something else. I don't want it to just come up here and be a big glob of tangled mess. So I just leave it on here. I use it, and then I put a piece of tape back. They have a piece of tape on here right now, and I put a piece of tape back on there. That's how I do it. That's how I've been doing it, keeping things that come on these little foam discs. So of course you can see this one is pink, a kind of a brighter pink. That first one was a light pink. So this is a brighter pink, as you can see. Isn't that pretty? And this one has, well, this one has silvery. Those first two had gold. This one has a silvery in it. Silver and glittery color instead of the gold. So, and then this one is purple or lavender. Silver also. This one is, let's see. Oh, this one's gold. Basically gold, all gold. Gold ribbon and gold glittery. And you can see how much you get on there, tons. Oh, look at this pretty blue. And it has gold. So yeah. Yeah, it could be challenging to keep this on here, but we'll see how it goes. Because it's thinner, it'll be a little harder to keep on here. But so far I have some others. They're not this thin of a ribbon. And I've kept them on the foam piece, so we'll see how this one goes. But this is another, I guess it's purple. Let's see the other. Oh, the other purple is more kind of a violet lavender. And this is more of a kind of burgundy, maybe more burgundy than purple. See, here's the difference in the colors. There's the purple one I already showed you. I guess it's more burgundy, and it has gold on it. Gold glittery. I just thought these would be pretty in tassel. This is black, so this will be great for Halloween with gold. I should hold it still so you can see. So, and this is a pretty green. Did I have another green? This is blue. No, I didn't have. This is my only green here. Yeah, this is my only green. So isn't that a pretty color? First of all, the colors will look beautiful in tassels, and then the glittery part will look pretty. And this one has silver glittery. And then another pretty blue. So the other blue was right here. So you can see a dark kind of royal blue and a light blue. Really gorgeous, both of them. This one's gold glittery. This one's silver. So, aren't those pretty? I didn't know. I mean, I think I got trims last time I ordered from Craftsbuyer too. But like I said last time, and I'll say it again this time, they have so many that, I'm allowed to pick out, because I'm collaborating with them. I'm allowed to pick out a certain amount of things, and it's hard to narrow it down. But I did. I managed. And of course, these are different, completely different from the things I picked out last time. And really, really gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed the little peek into what I got here. And please join me for when I use these. I think you will love the beautiful tassels that I incorporate these into. Let me just show you this way. All the gorgeousness. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe And so hit that bell and the little all so you'll get notified of all my videos. And also, if you would leave a comment down below, let me know maybe which ribbon was your favorite. Maybe I'll use that one first. And then, let's see, what else do you need to do? Just like if you would hit the thumbs up, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. That helps, people's channels, whoever, you watch. Just always hit the thumbs up for them at least. And that helps them. And the subscribe, of course, helps. And, just your being here and viewing helps, really. So thank you so much for all that you all do for my channel and for me. And I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.